Hello friends, Indian cricketer new salary in BCCI. A plus category cricketers. Rohit Sharma salary 7 crore. Virat Kohli salary 7 crore. Jasprit Bumrah salary 7 crore. Ravindra Jadeja salary 7 crore. A category cricketers. Ravichandran Ashwin salary 5 crore. Mohammad Shami salary 5 crore. Mohammad Siraj salary 5 crore. KL Rahul salary 5 crore. Shubman Gill salary 5 crore. Hardik Pandya salary 5 crore. Rishabh Pant salary 5 crore. Axar Patel salary 5 crore. B category cricketers. Surya Kumar Yadav salary 3 crore. Kuldeep Yadav salary 3 crore. Yashasvi Jaiswal salary 3 crore. Chiteshwar Pujara salary 3 crore. Shreyas Iyer salary 3 crore. C category cricketers. Rinku Singh salary 1 crore. Tilak Verma salary 1 crore. Ruturaj Gaikwad salary 1 crore. Shardul Thakur salary 1 crore. Shivam Dube salary 1 crore. Washington Sundar salary 1 crore. Sanju Samson salary 1 crore. Ashdeep Singh salary 1 crore. Fosiddha Krishna salary 1 crore. Ishan Kishan salary 1 crore. Abhishek Sharma salary 1 crore. Yuzvendra Chahal salary 1 crore. Sarfaraz Khan salary 1 crore. Dhruv Jewel salary 1 crore. Umesh Jadhav salary 1 crore. Ravi Bishnoi salary 1 crore. Avesh Khan salary 1 crore. Rajat Patidar salary 1 crore. Umran Malik salary 1 crore. Ash Dayal salary 1 crore. Deepak Hooda salary 1 crore. Jitesh Sharma salary 1 crore. Mukesh Kumar salary 1 crore. Akash Deep salary 1 crore.